Oh, okay.
So yeah guys, in this video we're going to be showing you guys how we balance our lifestyle and our trading, guys. We're going to show you that we can basically get to a point where you're trading and you're living your best life. However, do know that that takes time. Go to our YouTube channel, see how we started. We started with the business side of Forex before you guys are seeing some of the lifestyles that we are basically living today. So it takes a lot of work, a lot of hardships before you get to enjoy the benefits. Like, as you know, how a tree grows, guys, the last thing that comes from a tree is the fruit. So if you're building your tree, keep grinding, keep pushing. Your time to enjoy the lifestyle is coming. So guys, in this video we're going to be giving you guys how we basically go about balancing our routine, how we go from the morning, how we get to buy, go to places, visit nice things, and get to trade as well. Since it's 2021, we haven't had anybody saying any New Year resolutions. So with that being said, I'm going to be the first one, right? And you guys must follow, because you know, if you're in that channel, we all have the same drive, we all positivity. It's all about the mindset change, and if you're like that, then we're gonna get it. 2021, guys, is my year. 2021 is my year, guys, and if you believe that, you also can say it. 2021 is my year, guys. We didn't fail. 2021, we're doing what we couldn't do in 2020. So with that mindset, guys, we're gonna keep it simple. Be sure you watch the whole video, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Let's get it.
Look, in Cape Town, but you're still trading.
So let's go to July.
July. So that's an account that you've been trading.
Let's start first with storage.
Just turn it towards us.
Huh?
Turn it towards us.
Everything is around this mountain.
Yeah.
Man, I've been trading, man.
So you've been trading it, miss.
Trading, man.
Go more. Let's see the history.
Yeah, no.
It's from 30, you made 13.
Yeah.
Beautiful, bro. Beautiful.
You want mine?
Beautiful. Let's see.
So I've been trading this account since July 2020.
Yo, let's see. Go back to the history. Let's see the history one more time.
So it is funded 9,000.
Okay, let's go to show us the bottom. I want to see exactly how much you made your profits and losses.
I also want to show them my trades.
12,000 made, 5,000 withdrawn. Damn. Let's see. Is it a real account?
Yes, sir.
Look at this. We
Damn,
Nasdaq. You talk about Nasdaq swings. You talk about us. Okay.
Sure.
Look at that. It's a day. It's a day.
Daily chart.
Make it look nice. Go to 4 hours. And I'm still holding.
Daily swing.
Beautiful.
Yes.
Check week.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Let's see. Is it a real?
I'll show you now. I'll show you now.
Oh, okay, wow. Beautiful. You know, man, over 120, J. Dog. You're too much, bro. I wanna see the belt, though. Can I? Please.
Can you?
Can I? Please. Please. Go, Shez. What is that on your feet? Go, Shezi. What is that on your feet?
I'm tired. Me, I miss.
Now, what is that on your feet? Can I see that?
Oh, it's Mr. Martin.
Martin.
Mr. Martin.
How you feeling with the mutton on your shelf, bro?
Hot heavy.
Are you good, bro? Are you good, bro? What are you doing? You checking in?
Yeah, I checked in 2 days ago, making sure.
Cape Town niggas.
How do you get comfortable riding in a bus?
Wing. Up there. See up there, that's a whole world, dog. What's happening, man? Damn. What's happening, Jack? Are you okay?
I'm scared, dude.
Why are you scared? Cape Town, but Cape Town is beautiful.
Look at the Cape. We are here now.
Uncle Forex, stop it. You are starting us.
I'm scared.
On at all times. Thank you.
Emmanuel Forex, what's happening?
It's all good, man. It's all late.
Tagwan, man.
You know, just out here embracing nature and everything.
Let's see.
You know, taking all the greens.
Oh, another one. Wait, don't have another.
And we're back again, guys. For those who reached this far into the video, I'd like to say we thank you so much, guys. We appreciate all the love and support. So we're giving you now the bonus forex trading tip that we've been telling you about. I've never had a lot of people actually say anything about this. So what is it that SFS Gold want to give you as an advice or a tip that would help you in your forex trading journey? What have we seen in terms of beginners to amateurs and rookies, or anyone who's basically new into forex trading? I've seen what they basically repeat. The biggest mistake when they enter forex trading is that they always fund money into the brokers, but every time they don't actually think that their bank account is the same thing as their MT4 account, meaning that in order for your bank account to grow, you must have profits, you must have losses, meaning you must have income and expenses. So this is what people do. This is what basically any new trader does. Every time he has money, he deposits the money in any platform or any broker to trade on. Once you deposit money to a broker and trade on, you take that money from basically, let me just say 100 USD. You take it from 100 USD and you take it to 1000 USD. And once you take it to 1000 USD, you say, okay, now what's my next goal? My next goal is to take it to 2000 USD. And on the process to taking it to 2000 USD, you blow the account. What are you gonna do next? You're gonna cry, sober for a week, deposit again. Do the same thing, never pay yourself, blow it. Again, do the same thing, never pay yourself, blow it. That's basically the biggest mistake that beginner forex traders do, guys. They forget to pay themselves, guys. This is the bonus forex tip that we wanted to tell you about, guys. Don't forget to pay yourself. As a forex trader, if you deposit money in any broker, make sure by the end of the week you pay yourself. Every profit you make, pay yourself. Your bank statement must basically reflect this. You must have money out, trade, money in. Never see yourself depositing to a broker, never paying yourself. Never let your money run inside a broker and you never get any share. Every time you make profits, always remember to pay yourself. And that is how we want to help you guys in 2021. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. This episode, your mentors, signing out.
Catch me outside, how about that?
Boy, we hit the jackpot this time.
Goddamn.